shadows play a secret garden looms in a twisted way. The dictator's delight, a place to hide, where the innocent suffer and the wicked reside. Dictator's garden, a place of pain, where the flowers of fear forever bloom in vain. A paradise of darkness, where the damned are free. In the dictator's garden, tyranny reigns supreme. The iron gates, they lock and chain. The screams of the victims echo through the brain. The dictator's pleasure, a wicked delight, in the garden of shadows, where the darkness takes flight. Dictator's garden, a place of pain, where the flowers of fear forever bloom in vain. A paradise of darkness, where the damned are free. In the dictator's garden, tyranny reigns supreme. The iron gates, they lock and chain. The screams of the victims echo through the brain. The dictator's pleasure, a wicked delight, in the garden of shadows, where the darkness takes flight. Dictator's garden, a place of pain, where the flowers of fear forever bloom in vain. A paradise of darkness, where the damned are free. In the dictator's garden, tyranny reigns supreme. In the silence, I hear the cries of the ones who suffered and the ones who died. Their spirits trapped in this place of despair, in the dictator's garden where hope is rare. Dictator's garden, a place of pain, where the flowers of fear forever bloom in vain. A paradise of darkness, where the damned are free. In the dictator's garden, tyranny reigns supreme.